In this video, we're going to cover how to use the RouteWizard. So to get access to the RouteWizard, all I have to do is go to Routes and then go to RouteWizard. Now the RouteWizard is very unique in that you can build routes from scratch if you're new to the service program or RouteStar, or you can analyze your existing route schedule and optimize it across multiple different ways. The step one in the route configurator or wizard is to define your work days. How many routes do you have? What are your average stop times per route? Incidentally, if you are currently using our software, you can set your budget time on each route stop. This is for stops that don't have a route time. You can also specify the max number of route stops per day that you want a person to do. If you set it to 0, then it will build out based on your start and end times. So you want to set your work days for your routes. Also, if you provide breaks and how long the break is. You can also select the days that they actually work that you want to route. Next step is to define the frequencies. So you can create new frequencies if you'd like, or you can just use the existing ones that you have in the service program or RouteStar. Next step is you can set up or select which routes you would like to optimize. You can edit these routes by putting a name in here by clicking the pencil. You can also change the color of each route. If you're new to our software, you can set up your routes right from here as well. Step 4 in the process is to select your customers. If you're currently using the software, you can click this purple button to pull in all the assigned customers on your routes right now. Otherwise, if you're adding a new type of route to the route schedule, for instance, let's say you're in lawn care and you do quarterly fertilizations, you can build a quarterly fertilization route and select which customers will be on that route. Now I can click Build Schedule. This step will allow you to do two things. One, group your customers automatically based on the hours and days or step 1 criteria that you specified, or you can group customers manually. I'm going to go ahead and show you this option first. This option is great because it builds your entire route schedule out. So I've got almost 750 stops on my route schedule. I can zoom in to see specific areas. It shows you all your stops. When I click on a stop, it tells me what it is. Now there's also a really nice feature of our mapping and routing software. I can click this little icon right here in the lower left-hand corner. It's called Draw a Shape. This allows you to clump stops together. For instance, I can just draw a line, and what this will do is this will allow me to put all these stops on one route for one day. I can group these customers on a specific day if I want. And I can put them on a specific route if I want. Now when I press Group Customers, it's going to group those and redraw my route map with those out of the way, basically. So this is a great way if you cover a large area to group segments of your route schedule to specific people. Maybe you have a tech or a crew that works out of a different office. You can group those stops accordingly for that customer or for that route. So again, I can drill down and I can draw using the tool in the lower left-hand corner what stops I want to appear for what route. Once you do that, then you come down to the bottom and press continue to review. Select a day, select a route, and group customers. Once I click continue to review, it takes me to the review step. And it's grouped the stops accordingly, and it shows you a map of the grouping based on the route schedule review. I can import this into the route schedule. If you press import into route schedule, it will make a copy of your current route schedule so that if you look at it and decide that you've made a mistake, you can restore it back. And then puts this route schedule in its place basically. You can reset route assignments to start back from the beginning.